Hello, really beloved. Welcome to this Twin Flame Energy Check-in. We are here to see what are the current energies within the collective, what is the energy around the masculine, what is the energy around the feminine, and what is the guidance that is wanting to come across for us on the journey for the connection, right? So you might be experiencing a lot of heaviness particularly with regards to swelling, bloating. You might be feeling like you have gained a couple of pounds. So you might have been experiencing some sort of a weight gain, right? There is no reason to be alarmed because this is happening so that our own physical body is accumulating the extra weight as sort of like a cushioning for the energetic work that you're doing. Your body is creating that cushioning for yourself, right? So in a couple of weeks I feel like it is also going to shed off. This extra weight is also going to shed off by its own. Apart from that, you might be experiencing intense body pains, joint pains, meaning pain in the bone. You might be feeling it like it's a joint pain, it's a bone pain. Apart from that, you might also be experiencing lots of dizziness might be happening, blurry vision, or you might feel like you have some sort of a cream or an oiliness in your eyes. It's like that irritation in the eyes you must be feeling. There's tiredness, right? As you wake up from your bed, you might be feeling tired already, right? So why is this happening? A lot of us are experiencing this, specifically the feminines are experiencing this sort of heaviness, tiredness just as they get up, because there is a lot of work that you are doing on a soul level in the astral realm, right? So it's a spiritual war. It's not just a physical war, right? We have been fighting this for a quite a long time, and you are called to arms, right? It's not something that you're doing consciously right now, but I feel like in the dream state there's a lot of light work that you are carrying out energetically, right? So that's why you wake up feeling tired. So please take the time out to rejuvenate yourself, have light foods, have energy giving foods, eat alive foods like fresh vegetables or fresh fruits, which can help you rebuild your own energy body as well. If you eat light, you are going to feel light. Apart from that, I feel like there is also some head pressure, headaches that you might be experiencing at this point of time, right? And let us see what are connecting energies. Let me just pull out connecting energies first. Energy of the connection. Megha's asking how to be aware about what happens in the astral. It's something that you already come to know, right? It happens in chapters, right? So if you are not undertaking any physical hard movement, no gymming, no exercise, no hard exercise you have done, and yet you are waking up tired, there is no reason for you to wake up tired, isn't it? अगर आपने कुछ मुशक्कत नहीं करी है एक रात पहले या दिन भर में, आप घर पे हैं, आराम से हैं, आपने अपनी बॉडी को एक्सर्ट नहीं किया है, फिर भी यू आर वेकिंग अप टायर्ड, दिस इज अ साइन, दिस माइट बी अ साइन that you are carrying out the work, the soul work, the energy work in the astral, right? So what is the energy around the feminine? Okay, I was pulling out cards for the connection, right? Let me just... Wow. Three of Swords. This card came out yesterday as well, I feel. Three of Swords, and then this is for the connection, all right? So there's a lot of subconscious healing which is taking place for you and your masculine at this point of time, at the Six of Swords as well. So this is coming to a more peaceful state of mind. This is coming to a more balanced state of mind, right? Healing wounds from the past. This might be from past partnerships. This wounding may be from past parental issues also. You might be a parent, dear one, or I feel like you are healing your own inner child at this point of time. It's a very, very deep kind of healing which is coming up, because here I have sub rosa hidden in plain sight, and mysteries, learning and teaching. There is a lot of there's a lot of triggering around you right now. All right, so you are being asked to pay close attention to the individual that is getting shaken up, the individual which is getting rattled up right now, right? And hold the awareness that you are beyond it. But right now you can see your ego very, very clearly, or things might be coming up that might be like irritating you at this point of time. You are also being called to lay down firm boundaries, because earlier I pulled out these cards, although they were personal cards, but I feel like I wanted to share these cards for the collective as well. So I'll share a little bit more about this energy. Again, Three of Swords. Look at this. So this is heartbreak, dealing with heartbreak. This is basically inner child healing, which you are doing right now. All right. Why do we get triggered? ट्रिगर क्यों आते हैं? ट्रिगर इसीलिए आते हैं क्योंकि हमारे अंदर एक ऐसा वुंडेड अनहील्ड एस्पेक्ट है जो अटेंशन चाह रहा है, जो लव चाह रहा है, जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाह रहा है, राइट? पास्ट में हम उसे वो नहीं दे पाए, बट राइट नाउ यू आर probably in that space to give yourself that understanding. So you are coming into this learning phase, right? And life is showing you quite plainly. I feel like right now is a time to maintain firm boundaries. This card speaks to us about healing and protection. So assert firm boundaries where you feel like you need to, take some time out. You don't need to be amongst people all the time, right? When you are 100% in the middle of people, you cannot do your own personal inner work, right? And I am for sure being called to that. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk to anybody right now, right? But of course, like coming to the live, and then that's it, that's done. So you are being called to right now, you are being called to lay down firm boundaries in love, right? Lay down loving boundaries. You don't need to hold hate or jealousy or any ill will towards other person. Most feminines cannot feel that. Even if they want to, they cannot feel that hate or ill will or revenge. But I feel like right now you are being called to take some time out for yourself. Process in solitude, all right? And through that solitude, a new light of awareness is going to come to you. Also, I feel like there is some sort of an activation with regards to protection. This is like universal protection coming into you, protection and healing, all right? Gumweed speaks to us about like healing our wounds, all right? So this is an emotional wound of an emotional kind, which is being activated right now on both sides. This is happening towards your masculine side as well. That's why these are the connecting energies, and you are working towards coming into a better state of mind, right? Also, I have the medallion coming up. So this card speaks to me about achievements, all right? This is like reaching for God, reaching for divine, reaching for the light. You might find yourself to be lost at this time. You might find yourself to be incredibly, deeply hurt, misunderstood, misguided, misjudged. You might feel guilt and shame as well. But dear one, you need to hold the knowing that you are a child of God. And these emotions, these lower emotions, are actually teaching you more about your own light self, right? So feel all of these emotions. There is no reason for you to run away from this hurt, to run away from this pain, but to sit with the child, to sit with the inner child, and to provide everything that she desires, everything that she deserves, right? That she probably did not end up receiving in the first place, right? And that is how we actually face our own inner dark self, our own inner hurt, by attending to it, right? Not by neglecting it, not by running away, not by ignoring it, not by blaming or pointing fingers, but it's like sitting with yourself, sitting with your own hurt, understanding that it's there asking for your attention, right? अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं किया है तो ये आपसे कहा जा रहा है कि work with your inner child wounding. There are 5 sorts of inner child woundings which are available in my healing journal. It's free of cost. It's available there. It's an offering that's made available to you. If you hit my bio, you will come across a link which mentions free journal. You can take the advantage of that journal. There are a few steps that are guided in so that you can start unraveling, start unpacking the work. start unpacking the wound that you hold within yourself, right? And once you become aware, once you work with that journal at least for 1 month, I promise you, you don't even need to use that writing method. It will start automatically coming to you through the mindscape, right? You will automatically start working through your own triggers. You don't even need the book. If you follow through the steps exactly as they are mentioned, it will become like an automatic process within you, which is wonderful, right? So you can take advantage of that. And भैया ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली आप ही हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं बाकी सब घास नहीं काट रहे. Everyone is doing their own work at their own level of awareness, right? Wisdom and maturity is knowing that everyone is working at their own pace. You cannot force things. You cannot hold someone responsible for doing the work or for not doing the work. The only way that you can help me is by working on yourself. That's it. That's all there is, right? That's how you can help me. You can help me by working on yourself. So this is all that is coming across for the connection. And then I have the masculine energy. Okay, let me just pull out the cards. What's the energy around the masculine? What's the energy around the feminine? Energy around the feminine. See, bottom of the deck, acceptance. Just what I said, right? So when we bring in acceptance to our situation, when we bring in acceptance to our relationships, to our connection with our divine masculine, we hold understanding. We tap into our own higher empathy, right? So activate your higher knowing, honor yourself, and through that you can learn to honor your twin as well. आपके ट्विन ही बहुत बार आपको ट्रिगर करेंगे, आपके सामने ऐसी चीजें लेकर आएंगे जिनको आपने सोचा था कि अरे ये तो मैं प्रोसेस कर चुकी थी. आई थॉट दैट आई हैड ऑलरेडी वर्क थ्रू दिस पेन. व्हाई इज दिस कमिंग अप अगेन? व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज अ न्यू लेयर ऑफ हीलिंग विच इज बीइंग अनरावल्ड, which is being pulled back, and it hurts like hell, right? But what you are here to do is to understand that love is not gone. Love is always going to be there, right? But it's just that our individualized aspect, our ego, our mind comes into play. It becomes active, and thus it creates all of these distortions, right? Please remember, you're not going to see your twin as they are. You will only see your twin as you are. I am going to repeat these words. You are not going to see your twin as they are. You're only going to see your twin just as you are, right? तो जब मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के बोलती हूँ ना ट्विंस के बारे में, बहुत लोगों को अपसेट हो जाता है, बहुत लोग हेट में आ जाते हैं. कई लोगों ने पता नहीं क्या क्या बोला हुआ है मुझे, राइट? कि आप तो भाई एक ही की साइड ले रहे हो. वाई नॉट? You know, your twin is what? Your twin has come into your life and activated your own spiritual awakening. Your twin is life itself in human form. Your twin is God form. And not just this person, everyone around you is showing you quite plainly where you stand. Where you stand on your journey, what is the work that requires to be done, right? So if you feel you have this higher understanding, you are doing the work, your twin is not doing the work, I am sorry, but you're sadly mistaken. This is you cutting yourself down. This is you not holding the trust in yourself. Your twin is you, isn't it? So you're not holding the trust within yourself that your person is doing the work. You feel like you are in this victim mindset. Oh, मैं ही सब कर रही हूँ, मेरे person तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे. ऐसा नहीं होता है, right? So you are constantly looking over your shoulder, waiting for them to respond in a different way, right? So that is not going to help anyway. You need to be honest about where you stand, what is the work that needs to be done. If I am in my own ignorance, if I am in my own darkness, that's my responsibility. That's no one else's, right? And it's no one else's fault. So bring in acceptance to this connection. That is how we create more inclusivity. That is how we come into our own heart. You might hold the awareness, but that heart centeredness is missing, right? That is why we come into this hurt, this blame, this egoic energy, right? What's the energy around the masculine? और आपको नहीं विश्वास करना है अपने ट्विन में तो मत करिए, राइट? आई एम नॉट द वन फोर्सिंग यू टू वॉच दिस लाइव, और आई एम नॉट फोर्सिंग यू टू बी हियर. You are here because something pulled you, something called you to watch this video, isn't it? And it is completely up to you. If you are the one who is not believing in your twins' growth and progress, please remember that you don't believe in yourself. You are your twin. Both are one. There is no distinguishing. There is no separation that exists. Right? And that does not mean that, you just think any which way. कई लोगों को मैंने देखा हुआ है, दे कम इन एंड दे लाइक नो आई डिजर्व हैप्पीनेस. तो आप हैप्पीनेस डिजर्व करते हैं, आप पूरी तरीके से डिजर्व करते हैं. यू डिजर्व ऑल ऑफ द हैप्पीनेस इन द वर्ल्ड. यू डिजर्व कंपेनियनशिप, यू डिजर्व लव. सो गो अहेड. व्हाट इज कीपिंग यू बैक? व्हाट इज होल्डिंग यू बैक? आपको यहाँ पे आके ट्विन की एनर्जीज भी देखनी है, और आपको वहां जाके यू नीड अ बॉयफ्रेंड ऑल्सो. आपको दोनों हाथ में लड्डू चाहिए, और आप कहीं के नहीं हो रहे हो. मैं सीधे मुंह पे बोल रही हूँ, आप कहीं के नहीं हो. आप लॉयल्टी की बात करते हो, आप कमिटमेंट की बात करते हो. ना आप खुद से कमिटेड हो, ना आप गॉड जर्नी से कमिटेड हो, ना आप ट्विन से कमिटेड हो, ना आप अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से, गर्लफ्रेंड से कमिटेड हो. खिचड़ी पका रहे हो आप सिर्फ. You need to be serious about where you see yourself, about how you see yourself. आप एक तरफ बोलते हो आप लव डिजर्व करते हो, बट देन यू आर नॉट रेडी टू वेट फॉर इट. यू आर नॉट रेडी टू बी पेशेंट फॉर इट. यू आर नॉट रेडी टू ट्रस्ट इन इट और बिलीव इन इट. अगर आपने 3D लाइफ जीनी है तो आप पूरी तरीके से 3D लाइफ जिए ना. आप फिर ये स्पिरिचुअल क्यों खेल रहे हैं? लीव इट बिहाइंड. लीव दिस जर्नी बिहाइंड. सी इफ यू कैन लीव इट बिहाइंड. Try it for yourself. Test it out for yourself before coming in at me with, all your fists. Forgive me for believing in you. Forgive me for believing in your twin. भैया अजीब ही है ये इंसान है ना, जो प्राणी है, बहुत ही अजीब है भैया. ये तो हम देख रहे हैं अपने सामने. मत करिए ना. आप ये सारी रीडिंग्स आप क्यों देख रहे हैं फिर? आप क्यों, मतलब यू आर फ्री टू लीव. डू नॉट इंटरेक्ट विथ मी. इफ यू डू नॉट लाइक व्हाट आई से, डू नॉट इंटरेक्ट विथ मी. एज सिंपल एज दैट. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग, राइट? इफ यू डोंट लाइक इट, you have all of the freedom that you have to move away, walk away, isn't it? The way you walked away from this connection, isn't it? But आपको कुछ तो खींच के ला रहा है ना यहाँ पे. क्या खींच के ला रहा है? क्यों आ रहे हैं आप यहाँ पे बार बार? We need to be honest with ourselves. What is it that we want? What is it that you want? Your twin is begging you today. आज तो मतलब मेरी ऐसी एनर्जी है ना कि मैं अपना सिर दीवार से मार लूं. लिटरली मेरी ये एनर्जी है. और ये शायद आप ही के मैस्कुलिन बोल रहे हैं कि what is it that you want? एक मोमेंट आप कुछ और बोल रहे हैं, दूसरे मोमेंट आप कुछ और बोल रहे हैं. एक मोमेंट आप कह रहे हैं मुझे हाँ जी लॉयल्टी, कमिटमेंट, ये सब चाहिए मुझे. दूसरे मोमेंट आप किसी और के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं, कोई पोटेंशियल गर्लफ्रेंड, पोटेंशियल बॉयफ्रेंड. ये क्या चल रहा है? मतलब ये कुछ मजाक हो रहा है या क्या हो रहा है? फिर आप कहते हैं कि आप, अरे हम तो ह्यूमन हैं, हम तो ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस लेने आए हैं. What is it that you want? Be clear on it and go ahead full throttle then. तब तक आपकी एनर्जी fizzled out है. तब तक आपकी एनर्जी cannot be unidirectional. Your energy is getting fragmented for that reason only. क्योंकि आपको 36 चीजें आपको चाहिए. आपको आपका ट्विन भी चाहिए, ट्विन का अटेंशन भी चाहिए, ट्विन का कम्युनिकेशन भी चाहिए, बट वो मेरे साथ कमिटेड होना चाहिए. एंड एट द सेम टाइम मुझे कमिटमेंट नहीं देना है. जब तक आप एक दिशा में अपनी फोकस नहीं एस्टैब्लिश कर लेते, आपकी एनर्जी फिजल्ड आउट होगी. योर एनर्जी इज गोइंग टू गो इन व्हाट? हाउ मेनी अदर डायरेक्शंस? million other directions is going to go in. Once you make up your mind, once you make up your focus, that's the way your energy is going to be directed towards. Right? So this is some very, very hard guidance coming across for someone. And I am honestly, I am like fed up. तो मैं आ रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आना है यहाँ पे. I am unfortunately, I am designated for this work. But this is some very, very hard guidance coming in for you, dear one. Look at this, the sword. Everything that I've mentioned, this is like piercing. It's hurtful, but it is the truth. It is the truth. Either you're going to hear it from me or from someone else, but it's coming towards you. It is imminent. This egoic breakdown is imminent. 10 of Wands, there it is. Right? This journey is not going to be easy or a cakewalk. It's going to challenge you in ways that you had never imagined before. और आज आप अगर इस थॉट स्पेस में है ना कि अरे मैं तो सारा काम कर रही हूँ और मेरा ट्विन तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा, वो तो निकम्मा है, वो तो मतलब अपनी ही इल्यूजन्स में है और कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप पूरी तरीके से खुद ही को नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, आप पूरी तरीके से खुद को समझ ही नहीं पाए हैं अभी तक, इस जर्नी को शायद नहीं समझ पाए हैं. Right, so for the feminine, the first card coming out is 6 of Cups. Then there is 5 of Cups. There is 4 of Cups. And then there is the Death card, right? And then I have the Swords and then I have Feelings. So your feelings are your divine guides. Stay true to your heart's feelings. Listen to your heart. If you don't listen to your heart, you are going to face the repercussions. Things are breaking down right now faster than ever. Before I can say twin flame, things are crumbling down. Illusions are breaking right before your eyes. If you have someone who is on a who seems to be like a soulmate, who seems to be like, oh, this is like boyfriend material and we are having a spiritual connection, it is going to break down right in front of your eyes. Masks are going to fall down because you are meant to come into union with your person and you are confused about where you are. Because of your codependency issues, you are confused about where you are. You are constantly doubting this journey. And I don't blame you, it's not your fault, but that is happening because you don't hold awareness of yourself. You are unsure what is it that you want in life. Sometimes you want a soulmate connection, you want understanding, you want love, you want companionship, but at the same time you have not been able to fully grieve the depart of your twin flame from your life. You haven't allowed yourself to feel all of those emotions. Even in this connection that you find yourself in, you are not finding that fulfillment. You are uninterested. There seems to be some disinterest. And this is the energy of you just settling down. I'm just like, oh, okay. You're just settling down. जो ट्विन आपको जो देता है वो आपको कोई और नहीं दे सकता है. जो अनकंडीशनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग और लव जो वो एक्टिवेट करते हैं आपके अंदर, वो कोई और कैसे कर सकता है. चाबी उनके पास में है. योर ट्विन होल्ड्स द की. व्हाट अदर्स होल्ड आर mere duplicates. So your feelings are leading you, but right now, through your own unmet needs from the past, through your own codependency issues, through your own misunderstandings, misalignments about love and what companionship looks like, you are unable to accept the feelings that you have within your own heart. Constant negative emotions keep your energy restricted and blocked. Your feelings are sacred. Feel it to heal it. Feeling is the secret to manifestation. There it is. You cannot heal it until and unless you feel it. And once you feel it, it's going to feel death-like. It's going to feel extremely painful, extremely uncomfortable. You might feel agitated. You might feel anxious. You cannot sit in one place. Why? Because that energy is finding way to come out. It doesn't know from where to come out. In those times, you can practice deep breathing. You can practice your own mantra chanting. You can practice your own sitting down in one place. and just focusing on what the feeling is speaking to you, right? I've been always guided to choose myself before him and stop looking towards him in every way, and make decisions which are ultimately for good without thinking about him. So it's like you're not thinking about him, you're not thinking about yourself, isn't it? And you are not going to like it when I say this. No one is. That's why I gather so much of hate, and I have no problem in gathering this hate, bro, because I'm placed here for this. I'm placed here exactly for this. When you are aware and aligned of what your purpose is here for, you speak your truth without any sort of fear, without any iota of confusion. Why is there no confusion here? There is no confusion here because you are following what God has cut out for you. You are trusting and you are holding faith in what God has planned for you. No, of course, you should not wait. You should not wait. But this is the problem which 99% of people are experiencing right now. And it is not your fault. This is not me attacking you. But you have a problem with the word detachment. You have not fully understood what detachment word means. To detach from your person. How can you detach from yourself? Can you detach from yourself? You would become lost. Like a baby in the dark. You cannot detach from your twin flame. You can only detach from the outcome of union. हाँ, physical union होगा कि नहीं होगा वो मुझे नहीं पता है, and I'm okay with whatever. I'm happy with whatever. I am creating my own life in a beautiful way. I'm following my own intuition. I'm following my own inner guidance, and I'm stepping out in service. And it's all right. Even if it doesn't happen, there are no qualms about it. I don't hold any grudges about it. Right? Because that is what God has designed for me. God knows best, isn't it? पर यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि आप अभी भी ईगो है, ईगो इधर और जानता है, वो बीच का रास्ता नहीं समझेगा, वो न्यूट्रलिटी नहीं समझता है. ईगो को तो चाहिए, मुझे तो चाहिए, अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो तू भाड़ में जा. मैं रुकने नहीं वाली हूँ, मैंने कुछ नहीं करना, मेरा कोई तुमसे लेना देना नहीं है, तुम मेरी अपनी शक्ल भी मत दिखाना. What is this? We haven't understood the word detachment in essence. You can never detach from your twin flame. If you are on a true twin flame path, you can never detach from your divine counterpart. They are your divine counterpart. They share the energy. You cannot run away from them. If you start running away, they are going to come right in front of you and trigger you anyways. Right? So, the thing that we are called to detach from is the outcome, not from the person itself. Everything is one. And when everything is one, why are you creating the separation? Unnecessarily you're creating it. Isn't it? Just because of the fear that you hold. Oh, I got rejected. Right? So this is all pseudo ego. You think that you're out of the ego, but you're still in it. And everyone has an ego. There's nothing wrong with having an ego. An ego is required, on the other hand. It's a refreshing perspective, but the ego is very much required for you to progress on your journey, for you to elevate yourself in higher understanding. But what is required is awareness. Right? So, what is the energy of the masculines? Then again, there's a lot of mental energy. Look at this. Page of Swords, 8 of Swords, 9 of Swords, 9 of Cups. So there are 2 9s coming up. There is 8 of Swords, and then there is the Page of Swords, and then there is momentum, right? I feel like right now, this person is really struggling with communicating freely around them. It's like, I feel like this is things that they wanted to say to you probably, in the past and they could not communicate with you, and now it's becoming too heavy for them. They might be having sleepless nights or unrestful sleep. Dreams में हो सकता है आप बहुत ज़्यादा इनको दिखाई दे रहे हैं. And apart from that, I feel like this is overall very, very heavy energy coming across, specifically like mentally. And it's like they found this 9 of cups with you. You were their wish fulfillment. 9. So आप इनके wish fulfillment थे. You know, there's everything that they could have ever dreamed of receiving. You came across as a gift from divine. You came across as this blessing from divine, from God, right? और हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? See, मतलब क्या है भैया? Then I have the momentum card. Unconditional love, faith, gratitude, surrender, forward movement in the connection, progress, growth, pace building. The pace is building. There is forward movement. The more you see your own tower moments as they come by, the more you handle your energies with grace, the more you are willing to lay down firm boundaries with those around you. You are going to you are choosing yourself, right? You're loving yourself, you're respecting yourself, and that's how you are moving forward in the journey, in the connection. Activate the mystic within. See things from a higher light. See things from a perspective of love, not from fear-based energy. Even if we get rejected a million times, I just saw a reel right now. Whether she loves me, whether she loves me not, the guy is still putting on the slippers on the girl's foot. That is like true DM energy, pure DM energy. Whether you love me or not, I know, you know, there's something that we always share. It's always going to be there. That is not dying down. That is not dying down anytime soon. Right? What else? What is the energy around the masculine? What's the energy around the masculine right now? They can feel you night and day. They are falling into fear. Everything that I said, falling into fear. Resting and recharging. This is your energy, dear feminine. You need to rest and recharge. Take some time out. This is hermit energy. I feel like you need to enforce your own boundaries, and you need to bring the focus within right now. Romance is blooming. Creating the life that you want. Repeating old patterns. There are certain patterns that you're repeating. This might be in your own defensiveness. It might be like being fiercely independent, or this might also be something to do with emotional codependency. You are completely like caught up in those patterns. You are being called to break out of those patterns. Right? What is your person wanting to convey with you right now? What is your person wanting to say to you at this point? No one has ever compared to you. Your love still scares me a little. This is what I'm getting, alright? This is a line that I'm getting since yesterday. It is love cannot exist in the absence of fear. Where there is love, there has to be fear. Right? So your love still scares me a little. They love you intensely, immensely, but there is this fear as well coming up. You're helping me to clear and purge. Look at this. Wonderful. That's why the star card came out. And then there is when you can forgive me, I can forgive myself. Right? When you can truly forgive me, when you can truly relax in your heart space with regards to every single thing that happened between you and your person. Initially आप खुद को समझाएंगे, अरे छोड़ दो, let go करो, it's okay, forgive, it's okay, हो गया, but I'm going to choose better for myself, la la la, हो गया सब कुछ. Then the pain again comes up, and then you again try to forgive, right? Then you again try to forgive. But you know what? Forgiveness is a process, right? And once you truly accept the anger that you felt towards your counterpart, it's not you pushing it down to the bottom. It's like अपने आप को जब हम समझा देते हैं ना कि नहीं नहीं गुस्सा करना अच्छी बात नहीं होती है, और ठीक है ना, लव होल्ड करो, फॉरगिव कर दो, बट वो गुस्सा जो है अनप्रोसेस्ड है अभी भी. सो वो क्या करता है, वो कहीं ना कहीं जाके ब्लॉक बन जाता है, आपको फिजिकली परेशान करेगा, आपको हो सकता है इमोशनली परेशान करे, राइट? दैट एंगर, दैट एनर्जी इज स्टिल देयर, इट्स अनप्रोसेस्ड बट इट्स स्टिल देयर. But when it is unresolved for a long period of time, it houses and it takes form of illness, right? तो कोई भी तरीके का नेगेटिव इमोशन जो है, अगर आप अपने पर्सन के थ्रू के प्रति होल्ड कर रहे हैं, विदाउट एनी जजमेंट, विदाउट एनी गिल्ट और शेम, ट्राई टू वर्क विद इट कि ये क्या है, ये एग्जैक्टली एंगर मुझे क्या बताना चाह रहा है. कहीं ना कहीं शायद आपने अपनी जो बाउंड्रीज हैं वो ठीक तरीके से ले नहीं करी, आपने डिसर्नमेंट नहीं अप्लाई किया, हो सकता है आपने शायद ओवर गिव कर दिया हो, ओवर अंडरस्टैंड कर दिया, ओवर फॉरगिव कर दिया हो पास्ट में, राइट? तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो आपके अंदर की जो सेक्रेड फीलिंग है, हर फीलिंग सेक्रेड है. वी आर नॉट हियर टू जज आवर इमोशंस, राइट? लाइक आई एम रिसीव्ड ओवर हियर. All of your feelings are sacred. Feelings are your divine guide. Stay true to your heart's feeling. Stay honest with what you're feeling, right? Before the mind comes in. Understand feeling as energy, right? ये एनर्जी है, एनर्जी आपसे कुछ कम्युनिकेट कर रही है, कुछ कहना चाह रही है, राइट? क्या कहना चाह रही है, इसके साथ हम अगर बैठेंगे, इसके साथ हम अगर अध्ययन करेंगे तो वो आपसे बात भी करेगी, वो आएंगे, आपको डाउनलोड्स आएंगे कि वो एग्जैक्टली आपको क्या बताना चाह रही है. आप ये पूछ सकते हैं कि ये कौन सा थॉट है जो ये फीलिंग एनर्जी ऊपर लेकर आ रहा है. What is this thought telling me? Was it triggered by something? Where is this feeling placed within my body? What is it trying to tell me about myself? राइट? ये सारी चीज़ें आप खुद से पूछेंगे तो और क्या है, इन्फॉर्मेशन ऊपर आएगी आपके बारे में. एंड अल्टीमेटली इट्स गोइंग टू लीड यू टूवर्ड्स योर ओन इनर चाइल्ड. ओके, बाय द वे आई एम जस्ट मेंशनिंग दैट. सो you're here to feel it to heal it. And when you truly learn to forgive your divine counterpart for everything that happened, you can finally start to forgive yourself, right? Your person can actually start to forgive themselves. When you forgive me, I can forgive myself, right? I want to tell you the truth. I want to share a lot with you. I want to come forward and let you know that, things have not died down. I hoped and I believed that things would die down, that I could choose something else for my life. But there is something which feels like unfinished business between us. And I'm intimidated by your own awesomeness. Right, that's also coming across. These so many stories. I was just wondering what happened. Everything is happening. Shit is hitting the roof, right? So you also better be prepared for it. Sometimes it feels triggering to reach towards inner child. Of 100% it will be triggering. 100% it will be triggering. In fact, हमें ट्रिगर ही इसीलिए होता है क्योंकि अंदर की कोई एक डिमांड है जो पूरी करनी है हमको. बाहर से बाहरी तौर पे हम चाहते हैं कोई आके हमको समझे, कोई हमको फुसलाए, कोई हमको वो स्पेस दे एक्सप्रेस करने की. बट बाहर से वो बहुत रेयरली मिलता है, राइट? वी नीड टू होल्ड दैट स्पेस फॉर आवरसेल्व्स फर्स्ट, राइट? तो ट्रिगरिंग तो होगा, एंड इट इज गोइंग टू कॉल अपॉन लॉट्स ऑफ एनर्जी फ्रॉम योर एंड, बट दैट्स व्हाट यू आर हियर फॉर. That's what you're here for, right? You are here to undertake this work. That is why you are on this path. That is why you're on this journey, isn't it? Emotional codependency. Right. So what is the guidance that is coming across for you, dear feminine, at this point of time? Temple of the Rose, ancient power, expression, activation, scarlet codes. There it is, again expression of your feelings. There are many trapped feelings, there are many emotions that we were not allowed to fully express, that we were not allowed to fully feel, that probably we did not allow ourselves to feel, right? So right now you're being asked, whenever the pain comes up, which it is going to, I feel like with all of the cards this is happening for all of us at this point of time. This is a very, very deep emotional healing that is taking place for the collective. This is not only work that you're doing for yourself, this is the work that you undertake for your counterpart. This work that you undertake is also going to help the collective rising as well, right? So ये एक ancient power है आपके अंदर जो activate हो रही है अभी इस time. And I feel like there are many feminine codes pouring in. especially for the feminine collective, like this is blessing from the divine feminine which is coming in, to hold your purity, to be in your love, whatever expression that you have not allowed yourself to feel, hold love for yourself and then feel it. Right, you're here to do this processing. It feels like you are on fire, head on fire, heart on fire, body on fire. You might start feeling heat, you might start feeling sweat, you might start feeling that your body is shaking, you might feel like your knees are weak, you might feel like your head is spinning, you don't know what to do. You will have this upheaval within your own physical system because it's a reset that's happening. You have finally allowed yourself to bring up all of that was suppressed, that was forgotten, that was maybe ignored and deprived. It is not a beautiful thing. It starts becoming ugly. But you're here to be with yourself. Feet are weak and feeling light, right? So even as I'm speaking these words, see, when you open up the space of awareness, okay, this is something which is coming up within me that was probably going undiagnosed, that was probably going ignored. And I'm not here to ignore it any longer. I'm here for myself. What do I need? Ask yourself in this moment, what do I need most? What do I want to receive the most? Right? And the answers will start coming into you. The answers will start pouring in one after the other. Think of it as you talking to your own inner child. See what clothes she's wearing. See what age she is. See what state you find her in. Right? And you are walking up to her and speaking to her, talking to her. What is it that you want? And she is going to speak to you. She might not speak to you directly. अगर आप ये काम पहली बार कर रहे हैं, इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग का वर्क आपने पहली बार अंडरटेक किया है, बहुत मुश्किल हो सकता है. आई वुड सजेस्ट सम हैंड होल्डिंग. आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट यू टेक अप अ सेशन. पहला सेशन आप ले लेते हैं ना, तो देर इज समवन टू गाइड यू थ्रू इट, राइट, थ्रू द स्टेप्स. So once you do the first time, the next time when a trigger comes up, you can do it on your own, right? And there are many guidations. There are many guided meditations that are available online on YouTube. You can follow any one of those. Please make sure that you are in a safe space while you're practicing this meditation. You are giving yourself the permission to feel this upheaval in your emotion, all right? So please make sure that you are in a relaxed space, right? And this is all coming up for us, you know. It's like you can no longer ignore, you can no longer suppress this, whatever is coming up. It's coming up for the uprising of the feminine, right? She's here as pure feeling. तो पता है, feelings और emotions में भी I always say that there is a difference. We think that they are the same. इमोशंस और फीलिंग्स में कोई फ़र्क नहीं है, राइट, बट देर इज़ अ डिफरेंस, देयर इज़ अ सटल डिफरेंस. फीलिंग जो हैं, जो हमारी फीलिंग्स होती हैं, वो फ्लाइटी होती हैं. एक मोमेंट है, दूसरे मोमेंट नहीं है, ठीक है. जब आप फीलिंग्स जो आती हैं, बच्चों को फीलिंग्स आती हैं, बच्चों को फीलिंग्स आती हैं, तो बच्चे कैसे होते हैं? बिल्कुल प्योर, बिल्कुल इनोसेंट होते हैं, स्पॉन्टेनियस होते हैं. उनका कोई मेंटल फिल्टर नहीं होता है, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, ये सही है ये गलत है, उनको पता ही नहीं अभी क्या है. गुस्सा आएगा, झट से आ जाएगा, बड़ा तेज आएगा, ठीक है. अगले मोमेंट क्या होता है? शांत हो जाएंगे. झगड़ा करोगे आप बच्चे से, क्या होगा? बड़ा ही गुस्सा हो जाएगा, वो कट्टी कर देगा, वो आपकी तरफ देखेगा भी नहीं. फिर आप उसे छोटी सी चॉकलेट पकड़ाएंगे तो क्या होता है? वो मुड़ के हंस देगा, आपको फॉरगिव कर देगा इंस्टेंटली, ठीक है. तो फीलिंग्स जो हैं, एक बच्चा फीलिंग्स फील करता है. फीलिंग्स आर समथिंग दैट आर वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियस, दे आर लाइट. They may look intense, but they are very momentary. एक सेकेंड है, दूसरे सेकेंड नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने पूरी तरीके से उसको एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया और वो फिनिश हो गया, वो एग्जॉस्ट हो गया. जस्ट लाइक अ बबल, इट पॉप्स, राइट. इमोशंस क्या होते हैं? इमोशन वो फीलिंग है जो आपने फील नहीं करी, आपने अंदर रख ली, आप चुप कर गए, आप इग्नोर कर गए, आप वहाँ से साइलेंटली हट गए. मे बी एक हर्ट था, मे बी एक कुछ रंजिश थी, हो सकता है गुस्सा था, जो आपने पूरी तरीके से एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया और वो आपके अंदर ही रह गया कहीं ना कहीं. दैट वॉज एन एनर्जी विच गॉट ट्रैप्ड विद इन यू. This trapped energy called emotion, it causes blockages in your entire system. The Chinese medicine, चाइनीज मेडिसिन का पूरा प्रेमिस जो है वो ब्लॉक्ड इमोशन पे ही बेस्ड है. So when if there is a particular kind of emotion that needs to come out but you sort of do not let it out, it will take hold of a particular chakra in your body, a particular energy meridian in your body, right? And if it happens for a long period of time, it keeps on balling up like a ball. First it will be chota chota chota. As you keep on growing, as you keep on experiencing life, and you have all of that unresolved emotion within you, it will create such a huge blockage in your energy meridian that it starts translating into a physical manifestation of illness, right? So this is all like, it's all down to the emotions. What emotions do we store in thighs? So in thighs, Indu, Megha, why did I call you Indu? Oh god. So Megha, emotions in your thighs basically is fear related to root, fear related to your safety, security, survival, and it might also be connected to your sacral chakra very, very closely. All right, because every time personally when I have worked with my legs, specifically the thighs, the sacral got activated, right? And there might be a lot of things to explore down there. It's a whole wonderland. Your sacral chakra is a wonderland, dear feminine. So therein there may be themes of guilt and shame, right, that you need to ignore. If thighs feel weak, I feel like it might be a call for you to start embracing your own desire for life itself, not just, you know, not just creativity, not just your creative force, but I feel like the desire for life itself, right? Yeah, so I hope this helps you. And of course, if you feel like you need to dive a bit deeper into your own inner healing work, if you wish to explore it further, you can always book a session with me. I would be really happy to help you out there, right? Yeah. So thank you so much for being here. I love you so much. Take care, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys around.